tighter than what I thought.
Yep.
There's the queen.
Good. Just shake that down into the box. Yep. Now let's slide this the other way. We've got a couple dead bees there, but so that you can get to the edge right there. They used to have corks on the end, but now they've stopped doing it.
Well, every video I've seen, it always talks about corks, so
Yeah.
I was kind of surprised by that.
Yep.
All right, want to put some of these back
Nope,
in?
not yet. We got to get this out.
Oh, there we go.
I've got it.
Wow, they sure have a lot of wax on that one.
This one's got a lot of wax on it, so it's very tight. Yeah, they're busy making wax.
That's what we call busy bees.
Yep. And just turn it over. And you can use that syrup later. Just use the can opener and open it up and pour it into something. Okay, so let's shake them down. Okay, spray.
Do you need this? Oh, you got it.
Okay, we're good.
Dump.
Dump. Oh, the only problem with that, what you just did wrong.
Yep.
What should I do? Make the opening come up high because we were spilling them on the ground.
Oh, okay.
So that's all.
All right, so like that.
So actually, this side. Gotcha. Okay. Now you can pour.
Nice.
And you take the hive just in front. Let's go ahead and put your frames in. Seven. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, this one's on me. She's cute. With
You
long
need one more
tongues.
frame? Slide it all the way over. Pinch the frames together. Make sure they're tight. You're in. Take off your hook. And it is official. You have bee poop on you.
I do?
Right there in the front. Right there down by the pocket.
I have bee poop.
That's what I told him the other day. He had one spot. I'm up. You're officially your beekeeper now. You got bee poop on you.
Their tongues are so long.
Yeah, you're far enough apart. I mean, you could still get you could easily push this one over and possibly have 2 more hives on here if you wanted to. So if you get a swarm.
Okay. Yeah, we were thinking that, but so that's when we kind of designed it up.
Yep. That's good. Now it's floating back up. That's good. Let the air come out naturally. So yeah.
That one found it already.
Oh yeah. Why in your bill?
This one seems way more active. I don't know why.
One of them was, I think that one was the one that had probably more deaths and was a little bit of a smaller. That one?
Yep, it's finished. Put your brick on.
That one is big.
That's a drone.
Oh,
That's a drone right there.
Oh yeah, okay. I don't think I've ever actually seen one in real life. Oh. Well, you got a video. I think I should have had you just take pictures of each one so we can put in our app. Can you capture one of the...
well, I can't. My finger won't work on my phone, and I'm sorry, but I'm not taking my hands out of these gloves for you.
Okay.
Tell you what, let me have the phone. I'll take a picture of each hive. That way you have a report of what you did.